Hey guys, today I have a quick video for you showing you what I got from Victoria's Secret. They had a sale where all their shirts were $10.95, free shipping on 50, and then I also had a birthday code, 25% off, I think any order, so I used that with this. So the shirts were on sale for $10.95, and on top of the $10.95, I got an extra 25% off, which was really cool. So I picked up a few shirts and a few other various items, and I'm going to show you what I got. The first thing I got is a repurchase. If you watched my vlog where I was talking about this shirt, I was hanging up all of my new things, which you can't even see. Let me see if I can put that in frame too. If I cut myself off, then I can. I put those cool little skeleton guys up there. I'll have to find another framing way to have you see that too. But I did that, and I did this garland, and this garland has gotten pink all over my chair and the wall and my shirt. So I used some stain remover to try to get it out of my shirt and washed it, and it did not work. So I got another shirt, and it is so cute. I love this shirt. It's white and it's got little pink hearts on it, and it's a crop top. And I got it in a size large. And I only wore it one time. The first time I wore it, I stained it, and it's like ink. It won't come out. I'm still gonna wear it. I'm probably gonna wear it when like I paint and stuff, so if I get more paint and stuff on it, it's not a big deal. Here is my invoice. Okay, so each shirt was around $8.20. That's pretty awesome. The first time I bought this, it was around $12, and this time it was $8. So basically I spent $20 on this shirt. Do these have tags on it actually? I don't see a tag on it. That's super strange. There is not a price tag on this. Big yikes, I don't like that. But I'm assuming it's probably like a $25 shirt. So it's okay that I spent $20 on it because I do like it. It's cute and it's really soft and I enjoy it. Next item is another shirt. Yeah, this doesn't have a tag either. Super sketchy. I don't like that. The bags have like barcodes on it, but I don't like that. But this one is a full-length t-shirt, and it's sewn here, and it says Love Pink. I was hoping it would be softer, actually. It just feels like just a normal t-shirt. I was hoping it would be like super soft. Like this shirt is so soft, and I was hoping it would be like that, but it's still cute. And I like that it's longer, so I can wear it with my leggings, and I think it would be a cute little casual outfit. And I love that it's actually sewn in and not just printed on. This is my favorite thing I bought. It's like a little skeleton puppy. And then on the front is also the little pocket with a skeleton puppy. And then the arm says pink on it in sequins. That is the cutest thing I've seen in my entire life. I like clicked on the link because they sent me this through an email. It was like Pink Nation exclusive. I think you had to have the code, and it was like T50 or something. I don't remember what the actual code was. You clicked on this link and this was just a certain amount of shirts that were $10.50, $10.95, so you wouldn't get confused and just like put a whole bunch of crap in your cart and then some of it works and some of it doesn't. It was a limit of 5, and that sucks because shipping was free with a $50 purchase, and that would have been fine if I actually spent $10.95 on each shirt, but since I had the coupon that made them around $8 each, I was at like $42, and I'm like, dang it, I want another shirt. So I added another shirt to it, and it was like a $20 shirt. So that's a bummer. I had to scrounge around the website to find something for around $8 to add because shipping, I think shipping was like $6 or $7, and I would get free shipping on $8. And even if it's like, spend $15 more, get free shipping, or spend $6 on shipping, I'm gonna spend $15 more and get free shipping, because I do not like spending money on shipping. I would rather spend $10 more on an item and then get free shipping. This is the cutest thing in the world. I'm so happy with it. And it does feel softer than that blue shirt too. And it's ridiculous. That is ridiculous. I love that. And this is a long sleeve shirt and it has sequins on it. That's pretty awesome that ended up being $8.20. The next one I got is super cute. I love fall. I love Halloween, Thanksgiving. I love all of it. Oh my god, this is so cute. So the front, I think it's sewn. Yeah, the front has little vampire mouth. And then the back says, "You go, ghoul." Oh my god, that is so cute. The sleeve here says pink on it. I wish they had more t-shirts that were Halloween themed in this thing, because I think those are the only two. No, there was one that was candy corn over the boobs. That was cute, but I didn't get that one. And this one we saw in the store. The store only had it in an extra small. And it says, "Not my problem." My mom saw this shirt and she was like, are you sure you're not going to get that one? Because that's more you than a heart shirt. Because I am sassy. I've been called cynical this week. I am working on it, but I'm not the nicest human. So we're working on it. We're working on it. That's like me. It's not my problem. And it's like in a cute way. Like, okay, so on to the like extras. My 25% off worked on all the clothes, but it didn't work on any of these extra little things because these were all in the clearance section. I honestly kind of wish I got a pair of underwear instead of these, because I think the underwear is like $10 and then I would get 25% off of that. So it would be around like $8 for a pair of underwear, so I would get the free shipping, because instead I got like filler stuff, like a sponge. I don't know, I just wanted free shipping. It's cute, it's glittery, but I don't use sponges. I mean, I could, you know what I could do? I could use this in a painting and just like put paint on this side and then like use it like that in a painting with a bunch of stars around and stuff. That could be really cute actually. So I might just do that, because I don't use sponge, like I would not wash myself with that. But that could be cute for a little art project, so okay. And that one was $1.98. One is a body wash, one is a perfume, and they both came like packaged up like this. This is the Bubble Wash Charcoal Body Wash. Ooh, that smells good. It smells very, very warm, like a cashmere smell. This smells good, especially with the holidays and stuff coming up. Like, it's a very autumnal smell. I really like that. So that's cool, because I'm not running low. Well, I'm running low on shower gel, but like I also have quite a few. But I love hoarding items. So this was originally $14.50 and I got it for $3.99. And it's a pretty good size. It's 4.6 ounces. Whew, I got it. Here's a little body splash. I love that new packaging. That's really cute and I love the color. I have like 3 different packaging styles from Pink. This would be like the 4th one. I have where they used to be big boxy squares, and then they did like a circular one, and then they did another circular one but with different packaging. This one is Urban Bouquet, Wild Daisy and Driftwood. That smells really good. That smells familiar. I definitely have had a perfume that smells like this. That's really nice. It's like really soft and floral. That's very, very nice. I love floral perfumes. Those are my favorite. And then a close second would be like a clean smell. And this is 2.5 fluid ounces. This honestly feels smaller than they used to be. conspiracy. We'll have to see. And that was $2.99. Let me actually go pick one up and see if that's $2.52. Here are two other kinds of shapes, and they are all 2.5 fluid ounces. It just looks small. But I also have this packaging, and this is Sweet and Flurry, which actually smells kind of grapey, which I have 2 times. I got a set of these from my best friend Allison like 10 years ago. They still smell really good. This one's really, really nice. This came in this set, but I didn't realize it like 5 years later when I bought this one. But it smells good, so that's cool. And this is Soft and Dreamy, but this is like the old packaging. And then they did that one, and now they do this. To me, it does look smaller, but it's fatter, so. Oh, cute! The back says pedal to the metal. That is everything I got from Victoria's Secret. So that's exciting. I love what I got. I'm excited, and I'm happy with my purchase. Let's see what my total came to. Super weird, the invoice doesn't say how much it came to, but I did pull it up on my phone. The total came to $53.03. $3 total of sales tax. So it was $50.03 because free shipping on 50, so I was like, okay, $50.03. It says the merchandise total $165.72, offers and discounts minus $115.69. And then the total came to $53.03. Not bad, because, okay, so these shirts are showing the previous total. So the cropped shirt with the hearts on it and everything, that was originally $25.95. The most expensive thing was the dog shirt with the skeleton. That was originally $44.95, and I got it for $8.20. The other shirts were all like $30, $25, and I got them for $8.20. My biggest thing to you is to have their emails turned on, have their email notifications, get the app, because sometimes they have app exclusive deals. When I originally went and I got the white shirt the first time, I had a coupon for a free pair of underwear just with the purchase, and I got that through the app. So I just showed them the app and I got a free pair of underwear, and I think they have that going on right now, free pair of underwear. They do that quite a bit, like just with any purchase you could spend $2, you could get a sponge and then get a free pair of underwear if you really wanted to. The only thing that I don't like is that Victoria's Secret doesn't have buy online pickup in store. That is my favorite way to shop. I would not have spent $50 if it wasn't free shipping on 50. I probably would have still picked out 5 shirts, but I wouldn't have spent an extra $10 on junk. I would have just spent around 40 bucks and picked it up in the store, and I would have preferred that, but they don't have that. They don't have where you can pick it up in the store, which is a bummer. I love when stores do that, and I prefer shopping at stores that have that option because it makes things a lot easier, and I hate waiting. So usually they'll have things ready. If it's already in the store and it's not shipped to store, usually it's ready in like an hour and I can go pick it up the same day. But I can still get all my coupons online, know exactly what I'm buying, have it all ready. They put it together and I can just pick it up and go. I love shopping that way and using Ebates. Get your Ebates. I think it's called Rakuten now, which is a dumb name. But I will have a link in the description box. You just get money back for shopping online. I would have made this purchase anyway and I got some money back. That's always good. I love using Ebates. I actually have, or Rakuten, I actually have their credit card, so I get like an extra 3% cash back when I use it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what your favorite item was. My favorite item was that long sleeve shirt with the dog. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you wanna, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.